Today we're going to convert common fractions to decimals. I'll take care of the ninths and the 11ths, and you'll see a big connection between them. And then I'll show you the sevenths. They're super cool. Okay, to make any fraction into a decimal, you can always divide denominator into the numerator. So if we take 9 into 1, 9 goes into 1 0 times. 9 into 10 goes once. That uses up 9. Subtract, you get 1. 9 goes into 10 once. You're going to use up 9. Subtract, you're going to get 1. So it's going to be 0.11 repeating. Would I have to put both digits? No. But I think it's easier on our brain. Now we don't have to do any more work because 2 ninths will be twice as big as this decimal. What's twice as big as 0.11? 0.22. 3 ninths will be 3 times as big, so it's simply 0.33. 4 ninths is 4 times, so 0.44. 5 ninths is 5 times that, so 0.55. 6 ninths is 6 times that, so 0.66. 7 ninths is 7 times that, so 0.77. 8 ninths is 8 times 0.11, so 0.88. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's do the 11ths. To do the 11ths, you don't have to do much work. You just have to give yourself started. Okay, 11 does not go into 10, so we put our placeholder 0. 11 goes into 100 9 times. 9 times 11, we use up 99. Subtract, you'll get 1. Bring down the 0. 11 doesn't go in, so it's put placeholder 0. And then you put on another 0. 11 goes into 100 9 times. And it's going to keep on repeating because we'll use up 99. Subtract, you'll get 1. So 1/11 is 0.09, and both digits repeat. So I'm going to erase this. Now that's all the work you have to do, because now it's just easy. 2 11ths will be twice as big. So what's twice as big as 9? 18. 3 11ths will be 3 of these, so 0.27, 27, 27. 4 11ths is 4 of these, so 0.36. 5 11ths is 5 times the 0.09, 0.45. 6 11ths is 6 times 0.09, 0.54. 7 11ths is 7 of these, so 0.63. Both digits repeat, and then we can follow the pattern. 8 of these, 9 of these, 10 of these. So you do get 90, and it becomes 90, 90, 90. And then 11 times 11 11ths is 1. Now that's pretty cool. The ninths become 11s repeating, and the 11ths become 9s repeating. Pretty cool. All you have to know is the first one, and then you can just start knowing your multiples of 11 and your multiples of 9. And you got it. So I hope you learned something new today, and I hope it helps you. The 11ths become 09s repeating, and the 9ths. The 9ths become 11 repeating, and the 11ths become 09 repeating. Now let's try the 7ths. They're pretty cool. They're super cool. Okay. We do have to do some work, but I'll show you. We'll find a pattern, and we'll make it as short a work as we can. Okay, so we have to divide denominator into numerator. So you need 6 zeros. 7 goes into 10 once. That uses up 7. Subtract, you get 3. 7 goes into 30 4 times. That uses up 28. Subtract, you get 2. 7 goes into 20 just twice. That uses up 14. Subtract, you get 6. 7 goes into 60 8 times. That uses up 56. Subtract, you get 4. 7 goes into 40 5 times. That uses up 35. Subtract, you get 5. 7 goes into 50 7 times. That uses up 49. Subtract, you get 1, and you'd be right back here. So now all 6 digits start repeating themselves. Pretty cool. And then if you notice, it's 0.14. If you double 14, you get 28. And those are the next digits. And if you double 28, you get 56. But it's a little more than that. It's 57. All 6 digits repeat. Now here comes another cool part. If we're going to do 7 divided into 2, 7 goes into 20 twice. That uses up 14. Subtract, you get 6. 7 goes into 60, 8, and so we're right here. And then we're going to get the leftovers, the remainders, so we'll get 5 and 7. We can do it. 56, subtract, you get 4. 7 into 40 goes 5. That uses up 35. You get 5. 7 into 50 goes 7 times. That uses up 49. Subtract, you get 1. 7 goes into 10 once. That uses up 7. Subtract, you get 3. 7 goes into 30 4 times. Subtract, you get 2. And we're going to be right back to there. So it's 28, 57, 14. 28, these digits, then these digits, and then these digits. All of them repeat. That's pretty cool. Okay, now let's do the 3 7s. Okay, 3 divided by 7. You're going to need your 6 digits back again, but we're going to find that pattern. 7 goes into 30 4 times. That uses up 28. Subtract, you get 2. 7 goes into 20 twice. That uses up 14. You get 6. You're going to start on the 4, and then the 2, and then 7 would go into 68 times. So you just need to get yourself started. Trust me, this is the same digits on all of the 6. Okay, it's just different starting points. 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, and then you go capture the one that's over here. It's those numbers. All 6 of them repeat again and again and again. Okay, if we're going to do 7 into 4, to do the decimal for 4 7s, we just have to get ourselves started. 7 into 40 goes 5. That uses up 35. Subtract, and you get 5. 7 into 50 goes 7. That uses up 49. Sure enough, we started with 57. So it's the 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. To do 5 7s, you divide 7 into 5. Just get yourself started. 7 into 50 goes 7 times. So we're going to start with this digit, 7. And then go over here, the 1, 4, 28, and the 5. All 6 digits, repeat again. We have to just do one more, and then I'll show you another way you can look at the pattern. Okay, 6 7s. We just have to get ourselves started. 7 into 60 goes 8. 8 times 7 uses up 56. So we just got ourselves started on the 8. Sure enough, we subtract, we get 40. 7 into 4, and 7 into 40 goes 5 times. So we start right there. So we got 0.8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, and all 6 digits repeat. Okay, now I'm going to take this away. And if you look at, we have them all done, and it's like a jumbled mess in your brain maybe, but let's make it less messy. Okay, the decimal for 1 7 became 1 4, 2 8, 5 7. If we start looking at just the digits, what's the smallest digit? 1. What's the next smallest? 2. What's the next smallest? 4. Then the next smallest is 5, then the 7, and then the 8. And if you notice, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Those become the very first starting digit. So all you have to ever memorize is 1 7th, because every other number of 7s just is some combination of that. So these digits, arranged from least to greatest, become the 10th digit. Gives you your starting point. Okay? I hope you enjoyed learning the different patterns. I have lots more you can learn from. I have a math website called monumentalmath.com. Hope you enjoy the challenge. Thank you for watching.